Guys, it is not too late to get into crypto. I'm going to give you several reasons why it's not too late to get into crypto. Manual trading or with a bot, you know what I mean? I use Cryptohopper, as you may know, and I wanted to show you why we are going to be going to the moon soon, sooner than you think, and reasons. Going to give you reasons you should be super bullish on crypto, not just Bitcoin, all of crypto. Alright, but first let's bring on Bertie Bot. Alright, so reasons you should be super bullish on crypto in 2024 and beyond. You know, maybe 25 as well. All of 25, possibly. Alright, so this is Bitcoin over the past, since 2011. And I've marked on it the halving dates. All of these yellow lines are the Bitcoin halvings. And we're coming up to a new one next month on approximately, was it the 11th or the 19th of April? Let me look. Yeah, April 19th, so I need to shimmy this along a bit. It is on, actually that one is, if you do it on the daily chart, it's on the 19th there. Okay, so the Bitcoin halving. What normally happens after the halving? What it is Bitcoin miners can only mine half as much as before. Basically, there's going to be a supply shock. There's going to be less Bitcoin available to buy. And what does that do to the price? It drives it up, makes it more valuable. Alright, so look at after all of the halving dates in the past here, look, that's halving date number 1, the first ever halving, and Bitcoin, look at this, look what happens. Hey, guys, from that date, it came up 35,600%. Alright, next halving, which was 2016, how much did it go up? Total top there, 2,900%. Alright, next, how much from this halving? 631%, 670%. Alright, now we're here. How much is it going to go up? Probably not as much as it did the first time, but there are other reasons to be bullish, and I'm going to show them to you. So here are some reasons you should be super bullish for crypto in 2024. Not only is the Bitcoin halving upon us soon, alright, let me zoom to the next picture. I've got them here. We've got the Bitcoin halving, which we've already discussed, alright. Then we've got, hang on, exchange traded funds, ETFs, guys. That's BlackRock and Vanguard and Van Eck and ARK Invest, around 11 companies, massive companies, are now able to buy Bitcoin ETFs, exchange traded funds. And we've seen an inflow of an average of $200 million per day, Monday to Friday, for the ETFs, buying Bitcoin like crazy. Alright, and that's been driving the price up like mad, and it will continue to do so. Alright, another reason to be super duper bullish is this year we should get the Federal Reserve cutting interest rates, and countries around the world will likely follow, and that is bullish for the stock market and crypto. Alright, so interest rates getting cut from 5% or whatever they are now, cutting down 0.5% a time. You know, we're expecting around 3 rate cuts this year. The rates were increased to combat inflation. Alright, so when the rates get cut, more money will flow into stock market and crypto. Reason number 4, more regulatory clarity in the crypto space. Yeah, you'll hear a lot of FUD about so-and-so being sued and taken to court and all that lot, but there's a lot of clarity coming, a lot more clarity than there used to be. Crypto is basically going more mainstream. All of these things together, they're going to lead to more institutional adoption. Institutions around the world, such as BlackRock and things with the ETFs, they're investing more into crypto than ever before, and that will keep increasing into the future. All right, that's another reason to be bullish. There's more and more innovation in the crypto space. There's more and more innovation with blockchain technologies. That's another reason to be bullish. And also, to top all that lot off, usually in an election year, which is every 4 years in most places, the US has got one this year, Biden or Trump, whoever wins. Election years are typically bullish as well for the stock market and crypto. Alright, so are you too late to get into crypto? Looking at the chart. Alright, looking at the chart, you can see here, all of these halvings driving the price of Bitcoin up. Alright, now what have we done on Bitcoin thus far since 2017? Look at this. What have we done just since you guys, you might be looking at the chart and you might be going, right, it's the weekly chart, and you might be saying to yourself, oh well, I missed Bitcoin at 15,500 and it's already gone up to the top there, 375% since the last 14 months? No, 15, 16 months it's gone up. This is nothing, guys, compared to what's coming after the halving, and for all the other bullish reasons. It's time to get into crypto, and Bitcoin will not be the biggest winner. It'll be the altcoins that come in. Alright, you've got your altcoins that will outperform Bitcoin and Ethereum. Alright, but do get some Bitcoin and Ethereum, of course. But you are not too late, guys, just because you're thinking you should have got started here. It's alright here, because what's going to happen on that last chart, with the halving, BTC USD, whoop, Bitstamp, is it still there? Yeah. What do you think is going to happen after the halving here? The same thing is going to happen, guys. The same thing. It's going to go up a lot. Alright, I don't know how much by. Is it going to 100k? Is it going to 150, 200? Eventually it will hit those prices, but I'm not going to say when. I don't know. Alright, so you are not too late, guys, to get into crypto. You're not too late to get into Cryptohopper. You have not missed the boat. Things are just starting to heat up. Alright, if you want to get a hold of the secret sauce, which allows me to make 1.05% profit per day on top of my total funds, compounded, then you can do so by clicking the link below this video in the description, and you can get Cryptohopper through my link, and I will give you all of that secret sauce, good stuff, showing you the exact strategy that I use to make lots of money with crypto every day on autopilot. Alright, let me don't know if you can see my screen or not here. I full screen that. Alright, so we've got some nice profits here. Look, it works. This stuff works. And there's the instructions on what you have to do. If you want free access to my secret sauce settings and my help via Skype, get Cryptohopper using my link below this video. I think the coupon code has expired now, guys. You can try it, maybe it'll work. Okay, so get Cryptohopper through my link below, and you'll get the secret sauce settings. Free, just for clicking my link, no extra cost to you, and I'll help you out. And if you already have Cryptohopper, here's what you can do. Alright, so I'll just leave that on the screen for you for a few seconds. You can pause the video and take a look. If you already have a Cryptohopper, you've got two options. Alright, so are you too late to get into crypto? Absolutely not. The best is yet to come. Alright, the market moves in 4-year cycles. We are only like not even halfway into this cycle. There's a lot more bullishness to come. So don't wait to get started, guys. The earlier you get started, the more you make. Alright, we're going to have a good at least 12 months. Alright, I'm hoping for 18 or 24 months, but at least 12 months we're going to do really well. So that's cool. Nice short video for today. Just addressing some people saying, oh, but it's too late. It's too late to get. I've missed the boat. You have not missed the boat. Yeah, the boat is not far enough away from the shore that you can't reach it. You can reach it, guys. Take that little hop and get on that boat. I will see you again in the secret source if you join with my link, and or I will see you again in the next video. So be super bullish, guys. Crypto is going places starting now. See you again in the next video. Like, comment and subscribe, guys. See you again. Bye bye.